If you're seeing Gmail error 5545.7.1, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your emails sending again. This error usually means Gmail or the receiving mail server is blocking your message because of authentication, domain verification, or sending reputation issues. The good news is that in most cases, it can be fixed with the right settings. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it makes sure you don't miss the next fix. First, let's talk about outgoing SMTP authentication. If you're sending mail through an email app, website, or mail client, your SMTP settings must require authentication. That means your username and password need to be entered correctly, and the server has to verify that you're allowed to send mail. Now, if you're using a Gmail address ending in @gmail.com, there's an important change you need to know about. Your normal Gmail password usually will not work for SMTP login anymore. Instead, you need to generate an app password from your Google account. This is especially important if you have two-step verification turned on. To do that, go to your Google account security settings, turn on two-step verification if it isn't already enabled, then create a new app password for the mail app or device you're using. Copy that password exactly and use it in your SMTP settings instead of your regular Gmail password. Next, make sure your email client is set to use the correct Gmail SMTP server details. In most cases, that means using smtp.gmail.com, enabling authentication, and using the proper port such as 587 with TLS or 465 with SSL. Depending on your mail application. If authentication is off, or if the password is wrong, Gmail may reject the message and return the 5545.7.1 error. Now let's move on to custom domains like Google Workspace or another email hosting provider. If you're sending from your own domain, the receiving server may not be able to verify that you are a legitimate sender. That's where SPF and DKIM come in. These DNS records help prove that your email is authorized and trustworthy. To check this, log into your domain registrar or DNS hosting provider and make sure your SPF record is present and valid. Your SPF record tells mail servers which systems are allowed to send email on behalf of your domain. Then check your DKIM settings and confirm that DKIM signing is enabled and working properly. DKIM adds a digital signature to your messages so receiving servers can verify they really came from your domain. If either of these is missing or incorrect, your email may be blocked or flagged as suspicious. If you're sending bulk emails or automated messages, there's another possible cause. The receiving server's security filters may have flagged your sending IP address, domain, or message pattern as spam. This can happen if you send too many emails too quickly, use misleading subject lines, or have poor authentication setup. In this case, you should review Google's official Gmail sender guidelines and make sure your sending practices follow their recommendations. Keep your sending volume reasonable, warm up new domains and IPs gradually, and avoid spam-like wording or repeated content. Also, make sure your emails include a proper unsubscribe option if they are promotional and that your list only contains people who actually opted in. Another helpful step is to test a single message first before sending in bulk. If one email goes through but large campaigns fail, that's a strong sign the problem is related to reputation or rate limiting rather than your basic SMTP configuration. So, to quickly recap, if you're using Gmail SMTP, require authentication and use an app password instead of your normal password. If you're on a custom domain, verify your SPF and DKIM DNS records. And if you're sending bulk or automated emails, check your sending behavior and follow Gmail's sender guidelines to reduce the chance of being flagged. If this tutorial helped you fix Gmail error 5545.7.1, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment with the email app or server you're using and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.